Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to edit a PDF file in Word. If this video is helpful to you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Here we have a PDF file on the desktop, which is a certificate. Let's open Microsoft Word and drag the PDF file into the program. A pop-up window will appear. Click OK. The PDF will open in Word, and now you can make your edits. After making your changes, click File. Then, Save As. Select this PC and choose Desktop. A window will appear. Now give your file a name. Below, click on Save as Type, and a list of formats will show up. Select PDF and click the Save button. Your PDF file has been successfully edited. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel.